do you believe in God?
What is God?
You've got to start with the customer experience and work backwards to the technology. You can't start with the technology and try to figure out where you're going to try to sell it. And I've made this mistake probably more than anybody else in this room.
Using things like blockchains and cryptography and incentives and tools and putting them together into these different arrangements where hopefully we'll build something that allows us to work together on something better in some way. Lots of things that we can do. There is a big opportunity. If we come up with some fully decentralized, Ethereum with 5-cent transaction fees, we will be back. And if these things are successful, there's a lot of things that I think we can really innovate in.